Hello, my name is David Jones. I'm a full-time faculty member at Ivy Tech, Fort Wayne. I teach in the Department of Technology, Automotive Technology to be exact. My background, I have been an automotive technician where I started out. I moved up to industrial maintenance at a factory here in town, a forging plant. From there, I have gotten my Six Sigma Green Belt. Started out with an associate's, got a bachelor's in organizational leadership. Just finished my MBA with a management concentration at Indiana Tech in Fort Wayne. And 3 months after finishing that study, I'm here at Ball State. I am going for my doctorate in education, focus on higher ed and cognate in community college leadership. This course is of interest to me because I work in the community college sector. We have more diversity per capita, I would venture to say, than any rivaling institution in the United States. In my one class alone, I have 18 students, and I have students probably from 7 different countries. So there's the language barriers, there's the cultural deals, a lot of variables that take place within that. So my research interests are largely related both to CTE, which is Careers and Technical Education. That's a subject that's pretty near and dear my heart due to my background. With the skilled trades, it's also graduation and retention. I've heard a lot of opinions over the years of what is the best way to improve student retention, what's the best way to get students to graduate, what can we do, we hold their hand, do we turn them loose, do we give them more autonomy. So my research is program design and my interests, and does that design affect graduation rates? Does it affect student success? What can we do to improve student success? I really want to dig into what the best colleges are doing. Those that have graduation rates that are in the upper 50, 60%, 70, 80% in some cases. Curious what's going on. Now I know, being in a community college, especially being in skilled trades, our mission and our goal is to give students the skills they need to work. So we teach skilled trades. We get people out there, blue collar work, which is a fine thing. It's honestly really refreshing to see America coming back to the skilled trades. But that being said, in my boat, a student in some cases will take a year of classes, be offered a very good job. Sometimes, especially for some of these guys, they're offered jobs making $45,000, $50,000 a year. And the companies they're working for are not requiring them to finish their associates. So my research, what can I do to improve graduation rates? How can I help them stick it out? So it's kind of an important thing for me. This class is required to me, so that kind of brought me to this course. I'm on the track to get my doctorate done, so I've got to take this. Why not? This is the second of 2 classes I'm taking. One I'm taking face-to-face in Muncie, so I commute to Muncie once a week. And then I'm taking this class online. So it's my second online class with Ball State. Pretty excited about it. Historical research I've done. I have a green belt in Six Sigma, so quantitative methods. I've done that with the green belt, Six Sigma studies. I've also done quantitative and qualitative through my bachelor's in organizational leadership at Indiana Tech and my master's degree, my MBA at Indiana Tech as well, which focused on management and research. So the big things I want to get from this class, I have a thesis to study for. I'm already thinking about that. I also will be going to Holland, hopefully, in August of this year, and I need to put a research proposal together. There's several, Eindhoven is where I'll be going. There's several research institutions. A lot of them are CTE based organizations, so I want to put together a plan where I could travel there, there's a conference, but also have a research in place because I'm really interested in how the European system approaches skilled trades and CTE training versus how we in America approach it. In Europe, it's much different. Their technical degrees are actually a 4-year degree. Their graduation rates are superior, and their job placement and retention is through the roof. So I want to see what elements could we bring over, what things could we bring across the pond to make our programs better. So this is David Jones, my first week introduction.